Hello everyone, so welcome back into my second video of today on 7th December 2024 on this our beautiful channel Cinema. And as you know guys, this is our new adventure story. Let's start it without wasting our time. Just imagine this, okay? Remember that. Welcome to a glittering adventure in Dubai. Let's learn together. Where I am exploring the world famous gold markets with none other than MrBeast. Okay, just imagine stepping into a place where gold is not just a metal, but a symbol of wealth, culture, and dreams. The moment you enter the souk, you are surrounded by shimmering displays of jewelry that catch the light in the most mesmerizing ways. Each piece tells a stories of craftsmanship, tradition, and the allure of luxury. And what is meaning of allure? What do you know about it? So tell me in the comments, okay? If you don't know, then I will tell you. Just place your question mark in the comments below. As we navigate through the bustling market, MrBeast shares his insights on how the gold trade reflects the economy and culture of Dubai. Wow. Did you know that Dubai is one of the largest gold trading hubs in the world? It is a real, okay, this is not an imagination, this is a real knowledge for you. Okay, Dubai is one of the largest gold trading hubs in the world. It's fascinating to learn how this city has become synonymous with opulence and opportunity. What is the meaning of opulence? What do you know their meaning? So must write in the comments. Otherwise, I tell you. But it's not just about the glitz and glamour. There is a deeper lesson here. Understanding value in a world where trends come and go. Gold remains a timeless investment. MrBeast emphasizes that true wealth is not just about material possessions. It's about knowledge and experience. Learning to appreciate what is behind the sparkle can lead to greater financial wisdom. Okay, our adventure takes an exciting turn when we challenge ourselves to find unique pieces that tell personal stories. Each atom we discover becomes more than just gold. It transforms into a memory and experience worth cherishing. So whether you are drawn to Dubai for its luxury or its rich history, remember this: every glittering piece of gold has a meaning beyond its shine. Okay, it represents dreams, aspiration, and the journey to achieving them. Join us in this exploration of Dubai's gold markets, and let's uncover not just the treasure but also the lessons hidden within them. Okay, just for imagination. Okay. Inshallah, in the next video we will learn more. Who knows, you might find your own golden opportunity waiting just around the corner. Bye for now.